Hi there, I'm Dana Batho. I'm the owner and designer of Peacock and Fink. In this class, you're going to be learning how to make this cute little hoop project on sheer fabric. I'm actually using organza for this class. Stitching on sheer fabric like organza is often seen as really difficult, but I'm going to show you an easy way to do it so you can make Instagram-worthy projects. You'll learn what materials you need. You'll learn stitches such as back stitch and straight stitch, satin stitch, leaf stitch, detached chain stitch, as well as how to finish off the bag. You'll also be learning specialty tips and tricks for working with sheer fabric. You'll also learn how easy it is to make different variations of your project, such as making it bigger or using different colors of fabric and floss. If you haven't done the Hand Embroidery Fundamentals class, I would highly recommend starting there, which is this little project here, because the techniques you learn in this class will be very helpful in this upcoming class. I can't wait to jump in and start teaching you how to make your beautiful little project. Let's get started!